Oh yeah, what's going on today?
What's it look like? Hanging out?
Right on. So you recording?
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, did you ask my consent for that?
Do you need it in Canada?
I'm asking a question.
One of the comments we get a lot on our channels is that cops earn the hate. Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency, folks. In this video, you're going to see this park ranger walk up to this guy and treat him like a straight criminal. What kind of country is this? I thought this was a free country. Have we been duped here, folks? This cop is going to ask this man if he can search his vehicle for no reason at all. He doesn't suspect a crime or anything. This man is doing absolutely nothing wrong. He's asking him if he's carrying guns. He's asking him if he has any game inside his vehicle. Asks if he can search it. But the man knows his rights. And the law enforcement agent has no choice but to tuck tail, get back in his car, and dip out. And if this guy here was a police supporter, do you think he still supports police right now? If you're a cop and you're watching this right now, it's other cops like this that earn you a bad name. Why don't you do whatever you can to stop it? When you guys are being briefed every day before you get out there on the streets to run everybody through the ringer to get their ID, why don't you stand up and say, hey, wait a minute. I'll ask for ID, but I'm not going to try to coerce somebody into giving it to me. That's not what I got hired for. Why don't you show your cojones to your supervisors? Oh, you're scared. Oh, I get it. So you'd rather go out and treat people like crap and try to violate their rights. Folks, it's important that you understand and know your rights, your natural rights. The First Amendment was written to protect those natural rights. You guys go subscribe to Agitate the Bears channel. Let them know that I sent you. Let's watch this video.
Wait. How you doing? Oh, not too much. Just cleaning up and enjoying some peace and quiet.
Oh yeah, what's going on today?
What's it look like? Hanging out?
Right on. So you recording?
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah, did you ask my consent for that?
Do you need it in Canada?
I'm asking a question.
I didn't.
Should you?
No.
You don't think so?
It's like freedom of, I don't know, freedom of photography.
Anyway, sir, I'm a conservation officer.
Sure.
Loud, won't sound.
Nice.
Do you have any firearms with you today?
Oh, no.
Are you doing any hunting today?
No, I don't hunt.
You don't hunt? Okay. You doing any fishing today?
No, not today.
No? Okay.
I usually don't fish until summer. I do some walleye fishing up north and whatnot. Do you have lots of problems with that out here? With people hunting, poaching and stuff?
Yeah, that's what I do.
I just asked you a question, but...
So you don't have any firearms with you?
No.
No. You wouldn't mind if I looked in your vehicle for a firearm, would you?
I thought the whole purpose of law enforcement was to enforce laws, not feelings. So then why is this law enforcement agent going up to this man, treating him like a criminal? It makes absolutely no sense, folks. I am so glad this man decided to pull out his phone and record before this park ranger walks up to him. Keep watching, folks.
I don't see why that would be necessary.
It's just a question. Yes or no?
No, I'd rather you not.
Okay, fair enough.
But I mean, the windows are open there if you wanted to take a look.
Don't need to. Do you have any game in this vehicle today? Any deer, turkeys?
Absolutely not.
Fish, trout?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Okay, sir, have a good day.
All right, thank you.
Don't worry, I already know who you are, so it doesn't matter.
What do you mean? Like, I don't have any criminal record or anything like that. What the hell?
Alright folks, so what did we learn from this video? We learned that cops earn the hate, just like they say in the comment section. There is no reason why this park ranger had to walk up to him, treat him like a criminal, ask him to search his vehicle. Why couldn't the park ranger just park down a ways a little bit, observe, have a threat assessment, and then leave the man alone? Why question the man? Is this what this country has turned into? Check everybody for papers? Ask them if they're out there committing crimes? The people need to stand up against this type of policing, and this man right here knew to pull out his phone and record. What if this man wasn't recording? Would anybody believe him in court if the cop violated his rights? Absolutely not, folks. The courts are complicit to this type of behavior. So what did we learn from this video? We as a people need to record every police interaction that we come across, whether it's our own or whether you see a traffic stop on the side of the road. Pull out your phones and start recording, folks. You can also ask questions. That is the freedom of the press. You have a freedom of speech, and you also have a freedom to redress your government. Those are 3 elements of the First Amendment, folks. It's extremely important. I can guarantee you right now that the police unions are doing everything that they possibly can to stop people from recording cops. It's not going to happen, folks, because Congress shall make no law violating the people's rights. So you're wasting your time, unions, and you're wasting the people's time. Stop it. Everybody, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to Agitate the Bears channel. Let them know I sent you. I will see you over there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Always record the police. If you have videos you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at them. Have yourselves a blessed day. Keep your phones handy. Peace.